Hellmann. As the pumps activate in perfect synchronicity, oil surges through the pipes. The digital meters tick upward.
As the automated feeds stabilize the levels, the pumps cycle quietly, maintaining constant readiness for production.
The chamber utilizes gentle agitation and rhythmic cooling cycles, monitored by real-time sensors to make
Workers secure the tanks as automated mixers engage. This careful monitoring ensures the vinegar remains stable before bottling.
The probes are submerged for continuous pH verification. Once the readings stabilize, the data is logged.
I'm adjusting the flow pump slightly based on the sensor reading.
Noted. Consistency levels look stable now.
The mixture enters the mill, where the rotors rapidly accelerate, emulsifying the contents into a perfectly...
As the oil lines activate, the remaining volumes integrate seamlessly. Continuous churning ensures full...
The vacuum system activates, pulling the air from the mixture. As the bubbles evacuate in rising streams,
As the streams activate, real-time pH monitoring ensures immediate stabilization, allowing operators to maintain optimal flow. As the pumps cycle, the mayonnaise surges forward without air pockets. The tanks fill evenly,